In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile. This handy tip will make it incredibly easy for visitors to schedule meetings with you directly from your LinkedIn page. Whether you're looking to streamline networking or make it a breeze for potential clients and colleagues to book time with you, this feature is definitely worth exploring. So let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to head over to your LinkedIn profile. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do that now. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the top section where you'll find the all-important Edit button. Click on it, and you'll notice that your profile will become editable, making it possible to make changes. As you scroll through your profile page, keep going until you reach the Contact Info section. This area is crucial because it houses all the links and contact details you might want to share with your network. Now, look for the Edit Contact Info option here and give it a click. This will open a window with various fields where you can input your contact details, links, and more. In this window, you'll see a button labeled Add Website. Go ahead and click on that button. Now it's time to input your Calendly link. Take the URL of your Calendly page and enter it into the website URL field. This is the direct link that visitors to your LinkedIn profile will use to access your Calendly page, so make sure it's correct. When it comes to helping others schedule time with you, accuracy is key. You also have an optional but useful choice to add custom link text in the link text field. This is a great opportunity to make your link inviting and clear. Consider using phrasing like book a meeting or schedule a call, something that communicates exactly what a visitor can expect when they click on it. It's a small detail, but can enhance clarity and engagement. Once you've input everything to your satisfaction, simply click the Save button to finalize your changes. And there you have it. Your Calendly link is now part of your LinkedIn profile, serving as a powerful tool for seamless scheduling and efficient networking. And there you have it. You've now added your Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile, creating a streamlined way for people to book meetings with you. Remember, maintaining an up-to-date and professional profile is essential in today's digital world, and incorporating scheduling links is just one more way to enhance your online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy networking!